Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we're right now retesting extremely important support on the market. So if you want to be finding out about where Bitcoin is about to head towards, make sure to right away slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course ring the bell notification so you will be definitely not miss out on any of the further content that we're going to release here on the channel. But with that have being said, guys, let me jump right away in towards the content. So like you can see here, the range high that we have been talking about several times here was getting retested on the 4-hourly time frame. The 4-hourly time frame unfortunately got rejected by this range, and since of course of this rejection, Bitcoin came down pretty heavily. Right now Bitcoin came down towards levels of the 49.2k here. What is of course extremely strong previous resistance, like you can see over here, that right now could be flipping into support. So yeah, it's a pretty unfortunate event to see here that Bitcoin came down, but like we discussed yesterday, there could be still a scenario in play here that Bitcoin is going to come down and maybe, of course, still try to shake out some more weekends, or even still going to come down towards the 45,000 US dollars. I don't expect Bitcoin is going to go down towards 45,000 US dollars as long as it's going to be holding up this 4-hourly support range. But of course, as soon as we're going to be closing this 4-hourly candle below this green box, or aka below the 49,000 US dollars, I personally do expect markets are going to be looking a little bit more bearish for the coming days ahead of ourselves. But so far we're going to be holding it up. I personally do expect we're going to fight our way a little bit back up higher. So please do keep this chart in mind here, and please keep your eyes wide open on how the chart is going to be developing on this 4-hourly close, and of course on the 4-hourly afterwards. As well, 1-hour candles, like you can see, we closed the 1-hour candle above of the range high, above of the highest 1-hour candle close of this whole trend here. Then unfortunately we still got rejected because we were not managing to close a 4-hourly candle close above it. So since then, still came down, minor fake out was getting created here. As well, we retested, like you can see here, this previous zone of support several times, but eventually we fell below it, and right now we're trading below it and we're trying to come back up here again. So of course, if Bitcoin can close its 1-hour candle once again above of this orange line, is going to be looking good. Otherwise, yeah, we could be maybe expect another rejection and come down once again. So please take this level as well for granted, and please take this level in consideration about where we are heading towards for the coming zone and for the coming time ahead of ourselves. Because every single time we've been basically trading below this range, we tend to see, of course, the market once again coming down towards the lows of the range here, of course, of the 45.6k here. So to be very honest, the 1-hourly candles are looking a little bit more bearish, and the 1-hourly candles could be for sure in for, of course, this continuation towards the downside. But of course, in order for me to call this, I first want to be seeing where the 4-hourly candle is going to close. Because is it going to close like this? I will be still partially stay bullish, of course, on the market. Of course, as well, we have been looking at several Fibonacci setups here, and of course on this Fibonacci setup here, we can clearly see we set it up from swing low to swing high to, of course, identify retracement levels. And currently we have been looking at a very strong retracement level of the golden pocket entry, the 0.382 here. Unfortunately, fell to hold on towards this level, and we came down from that point here. But like you can see here, the 0.5, aka the midpoint of the trend, was holding up the price action. And so of course, since we were holding up on the 0.5 here, we were seeing a particular significant increase in the valuation. Right now, the 49.6k is going to be once again an important level to keep our eyes out on, because yeah, previous golden pocket support is going to be right now very strong resistance. So as well, a breakthrough of the 49.6k in the 1-hour candles is going to be crucial in order to see a continuation towards the upside getting started. Of course, what I do still as well have in mind here is that Bitcoin could be create another leg down here and come down towards the 0.618 here, the golden pocket retracement, and that is of course going to be allow you a very strong trading opportunity. I'm currently still in my trading position, and my strategy with this trade here is that I'm trying to, of course, accumulate further on in my trade as soon as the market is going to go below my entry price. So I will be trying to, of course, benefit from the market being low, and of course, if the market goes up from here on, I'm going to be benefiting because I'm already in a position. So please, what my thoughts here are basically is that I want to be, of course, benefit from the market either direction. And of course, if you still want to be swing trading the market, since the market is right now coming down a little bit here, you do have, of course, extremely good opportunities to do swing trade the market right now here. So if you want to be swing trading the market, make sure to check out BYBIT here in the link of the description. I mean, for me, if I'm really going to go down once again back towards 48,000 US dollars, I will be starting to accumulate a little bit further in towards my trade. And of course, with my scalp trading account, I will be trying to get an entry, because I will be looking forward towards, of course, accumulate a little bit of a trade over there, since of course all the momentum indicators are pretty oversold right now. We could be, of course, anticipate the market could be starting to be bouncing from that range, because it comes together with the Fibonacci support. But guys, this was already it for today's update video. I will be back later today, hopefully with another live stream. If I'm able to do so, probably I will. So guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification, so you definitely will be not miss out anything on the channel. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.